Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa ulindeleke ukuthathula inkulumo emgcwabeni omsunguli weLadysmith Black Mambazo ongasekho uSolwazi Joseph Shabalala. Lo mgcwabo ozobe usezingeni lombuso uzokuba seMnambithi kusasa. Umshengi wedlule emhlabeni esibhedlela sasePitoli ngesonto eledlule ube neminyaka engu-78. Ushiye emhlabeni umkakhe nezingane eziyisithupha.
Kulindeleke osaziwayo mase kuphelezelwa inkakha emculweni. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ungomunye icukuthwane ozozimazisa lenkonzo yomgcwabo. Kanti abaculi abaseqopheleni eliphezulu kuthi abazonandisa. uShabalala kuthi usebenze kusakhanya eqinisekisa ukuthi isicathamia siyakhula.
I'm grateful that Professor Joseph Shabalala's vision was implemented and it came to life while he was still alive.
Idolobha lapho adabuka khona uShabalala lamhlonipha ngenkuleko edolobha ngo1997.
Ubaba uMshengu ngo1997 we ensured that we gave him the freedom of town to recognize his leadership, his role that he has made in the town and also in South Africa as a whole.
Nakuba kunjalo abanye balapha eMnambithi bathi bekufanele ngabe uhulumeni usemhloniphe kakhulu uShabalala.
Ngokwami engifisa ukuthi ngabe kwenzekile noma kusazokwenziwa ukuthi mhlambe kube nesithombe othi nje mangabe uqhamuka ubone ukuthi uJoseph Shabalala lo
usithathe wasibeka phezulu thina ngathi izwe lase South Africa nje ngaphandle ukuthi wabasemnambithi South Africa jikelele.
Inkonzo yomngcwabo kaShabalala izobe seLadysmith Indoor Sports Center kusasa. Eindabeni za SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eMnambithi.